So we're back in the kitchen and we're executing a super low calorie tuna salad. Only 3 components to begin with. Just make yourself up 100 grams of any type of salad. I've just got some cucumber, tomato, capsicum, onion. Was pretty much what I had left over in the fridge. From there, we've got some tuna in spring water. So just grab yourself the Sirena or any of it that has spring water. If it has olive oil, it's gonna blow your calories out. From there, I added in half a cup or half a serving of a can of white beans. From here, we just add the beans straight in. We add the tuna straight in. From there, add any type of fat-free dressing in for flavor. Today, I've just gone with the French dressing, 99% fat-free. There's also the balsamic that you could also put with it. But that's as easy as it is. 350 calories, 43 grams of protein. Not a bad low-calorie snack or even a lunch item to chuck in this week's meal prep.